AI is coming for video editors. Now, that's either a good thing or a bad thing. It depends how you look at it. If you're an entrepreneur or a video editor, you could look at this and say, hey, I can use AI to edit my videos. All my videos are very standard. Let me use them to edit. But if you're a video editor and you're thinking, oh no, AI is going to take my job, don't think about it like that. Say to yourself, listen, I'm going to use AI to make my edits quicker so I can take on more jobs and make more money. It's all about perspective with AI. I think it applies to any job in the world. Now that AI exists, either you can think of it like, oh no, it's coming for my job, or you can say, I'm going to use it to leverage what I'm already doing and output more so I can make more money either for my job or for myself. Let me show you an example right now of this AI editor, video editor, that literally from dropping a video in one click, I can have my video fully edited. That includes sound effects, overlays, subtitles, and so much more. Let me just demonstrate it instead of talking. What I'm about to do is drop a video onto the timeline by clicking on this button right here. All right, here's the video I want to edit. I just literally click on it. And watch what AI is about to do. So first it analyzes the video. This takes about 10 seconds and it checks the transcript and it just knows what's in the video so you can start editing. Now after this, there's a one-click edit button that edits the entire video. And I'm going to literally either click on it or I might tweak it a little bit to my preferences. Check this out. All right, the transcription is complete. Your video is ready to edit. So here's that button I was talking about. You see this yellow button up here? Literally, if I click on that, it's a one-click pro edit. Does all the edits in one click. But I prefer my prompt. This is my prompt. It's a pretty big prompt. Once I click send, watch what happens. It's absolutely insane. It's like magic. Check this out, guys. Check this out. So it's looked at the video, it's basically chosen the skills it needs, and now it's going to use those skills in order to edit my video. Now, it doesn't necessarily need all the skills in the world. For this specific case, it needs hyperframes, B-roll maker, subtitles, clip sequence, animated zoom, subject zoom, and more. So here it's configuring a 3-word subtitles, placed it in the middle. It's created about 12 transparent animated overlays distributed over the videos. So you can see what it's done. It's probably also removed all the silent moments and taken care of the sound mastery and sound effects. As you can see, it's actually said that over here. In a few seconds, once it's rendered some of these special effects, it's going to actually demo them to me. So I can literally see them. Like, check this one out. It's literally showing me it's created a search bar that is literally being typed into. Now, the amazing thing is because it has the ability to do sound effects as well, it simultaneously creates effects with sound effects on them. So basically what it does, it drops them onto the timeline with a sound effects that matches what the video is saying. So not only can it create the effect, but it can match a sound effect which is perfectly matched to make your edit feel like a high quality video, not a cheap AI edited video. So here are some effects that are being dropped onto the video based on the transcription, based on what I'm saying in that video. Now I'm about to show you some of the video and I'm going to show you how I create short form content from this video in one click as well, using the long to shorts feature, which actually gives you a score on how good this video is. Now, some of you have already used something called Opus Clip, which is another AI video editor, but that one, it doesn't create effects. It doesn't add sound effects automatically. There's so much missing from that. It creates a very simple cut edit, but it doesn't do anything extra than just cut your video into the best moments, which is great too. But this app can do that as well as the other stuff which is needed for a high quality edit. So if you type in this box here, cut only the most viral moments, the best moments, that's what it's going to do. But if I'm going to show you that in a few seconds, once this is all ready, we've got 2 more effects left and then we can watch some of this. So here's a glowing pen that's being added to the top of that KDP video. All right, everything's ready. Let's check it out. Let's watch the preview right now with audio. Check it out. AI will either take your job or do your job for you. It's completely your choice. Now, AI is good for some people and bad for some people. Let me break it down. AI is not good for workers, but is actually good for the boss because the boss can use AI to replace the worker. Now, if you're the worker, you should be trying to use AI to maximize your output so your boss doesn't need to use AI to replace you. Because when you use AI better than your boss would, you're actually worth more to your company. So if you work for a company... Now, please ignore the render quality because that's pre-rendering. We haven't actually rendered the video yet. But this is the kind of edit you can expect. It enhances your edit, adds subtitles and sound effects, subtle sound effects, and you can choose the volume of that. You can even choose the sound effects. If I go into preferences, you can choose all the different sound effects. Let me show you some of these insane sound effects. Check out this hook one. Check out this one. You can select the volume of the sound effects. Let me just do 40%, just so you can hear it. Now, for each and every one of these, you can either replace them and you can add your own sound effects. And you can tell the AI when it should use this specific sound effect. So you can literally make this AI editor your own. And I know it will probably take you about half an hour to set up. But once it's set up, it's going to do all your work for you. Now, the best function of all is the automate function right here at the top. You can literally automate your entire AI video editing. Let me show you one of my automations. This one I automate by dropping into this folder. Every time I drop into this folder, it auto runs this automation. The folder is being watched by ZippyClip. Once I drop into this folder, after it edits, it will publish to all of these channels. Now, the amazing thing is you can group your channels by business. So if you're somebody like me who has a bunch of different channels, like look, I have some music channels where I use AI to make music. I have ZippyClip channels for this very software. I have business channels. I have comedy skit channels, and I'm soon going to be making a kids channel as well. But for this demo, this is the group of channels that I sent to, literally 14 channels. And it allows you to put a custom AI edit prompt. Now, whatever you write in here, that's what's going to be the edit for any video you drop into that folder I mentioned above. So over here, you can see my prompt. It's my perfect prompt, which creates these amazing high quality edits. If you want this prompt, just ask for it and I'll send it to you. But it only really works on this software, which has the ability to do all of these things. Like it has the ability to zoom in on the speaker because it knows where you are. It has the ability to add sound effects because it has a library of sound effects. It has the ability for hyperframes because hyperframes and remotions is already installed, etc. It can even add your brand assets. That means your logo and screenshots, and then it will use them for each and every video. Additionally, you know, when you create titles and descriptions, you can literally write a prompt to make sure that the key phrases that are used for the title and descriptions match what you want for your business. So for me, for SEO purposes, I'm looking for key phrases that are related to what people search for. That's the best for SEO. So I'm doing like the best X, or how do I find the best, and then what I'm showing in that video. Now, this is an amazing one, automatic shorts. When you switch this on, you can literally choose how many shorts you create from one video, one long video. So as well as the long form video, it will also create shorts. And here is the focus of the short. Make a viral high value clip from this video. Grab all the value moments and skip all the fluff to create the most perfectly high value video. And then you can do only post to shorts. So if you're the kind of person who only wants shorts, you can do only post shorts and don't publish the long video. That's completely optional. And here are more things you can do. I'm not going to get into this in this video, but the music video, just from dropping a Suno song or a sung song or any song, it can create literally a music video. And it works, by the way. And that's it. Then you can create scheduling, and you can even create delays between posts, so you can automate your entire video creation, entire pipeline. So if you like the sound of this, drop me a link in the comments. I'll send you the link right away. You can get started and let AI do your work for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.